Hi there, friends. I'm meteorologist Jeff Hanowich. Current time is 10:01 on this Tuesday evening. Hope everybody had a great day. You know, earlier in the day, around 2 o'clock, if you were to see the radar, you would have thought that most of us would be getting wet because there are returns showing up early in the afternoon hours. But at that point, the air was very dry. Okay, so what you had was like temperatures near 60 and dew points in the upper 20s and lower 30s. You had to get that temperature and dew point closer together. And as the afternoon wore on, temperatures were near 60, but those dew points were 39, 43, 47, 50. So as that temperature and dew point got closer together, the air started to moisten. And eventually, as we went into the latter part of the afternoon, 4 or 5 o'clock, we actually started to see these returns actually reaching the ground. And we continue to see, at this point, some spotty showers around. Isolated to widely scattered showers are impacting the area here at 10:02. We do have a couple of little showers towards Bath and Allegheny counties, maybe even a little bit of a light wintry mix along the West Virginia border as you get a little bit closer to Highland County. Might be a couple of snowflakes and or sleet pellets mixing in along the Pocahontas and Highland County line. Further to the southeast, that's where most of the rain has been, and that's where most of the showers continue to be right now. You'll notice that we have green showing up, an indicator of some showers out across parts of Henry, Franklin, also into portions of Campbell, Appomattox, Charlotte, Halifax, and Pittsylvania counties. So areas east of the Parkway right now seeing the highest coverage area of rain. Most of what we're seeing very light rain, but focus your attention near the D and Danville. Start to see a little bit of yellow showing up there, an indicator of maybe a little bit in the way of some moderate rain impacting southern parts of Pittsylvania County, right along the North Carolina-Virginia border. These showers are moving eastbound at about 20 to 30 miles per hour, and we're going to have, I think, that continued chance for at least a little bit of rain through about maybe 1 a.m. After that, we'll start to clear things out of here. To the west, things are quieter, and eventually this drier air is going to punch in as we head into tomorrow. So our Wednesday is going to be a drier day. It's going to be a brighter day. We're going to see more sunshine as we head into Wednesday. Today was a day where we squeezed out a little bit of sun here or there, but certainly more clouds and sunshine. Tomorrow, reverse it. We're going to have more sunshine than cloud cover. So as we look at Future Tracker, by around midnight, I think the chance for rain will start to go down, maybe a couple of leftover showers here or there, but certainly by about 2 o'clock in the morning, showers are gone, skies clear, such that by 7 a.m. Wednesday, although we may have a few leftover clouds around, for the most part, it's going to be pretty bright outside for us. So as soon as the sun comes up, a lot of clouds are going to go away. Okay, so tomorrow is going to be a mainly sunny day, pretty much from sun up until sundown. May have a little bit of cloud cover from time to time late in the day in the mountains, but tomorrow will be a partly to mostly sunny day. Overall, a pretty nice day to be outside, albeit seasonably cool out there. We're not going to be in the 70s tomorrow, not going to be the 80s tomorrow. We're going to be more like the 50s and 60s. As we continue to go through time, overall, it looks like Wednesday night is fair. Thursday is going to start with skies partly to mostly sunny. I don't see a reason why that would change as we head into the afternoon. Partly to at times mostly sunny skies in the forecast for us on Thursday as well. So Wednesday, Thursday, overall, more sun than clouds, and we look pretty dry here Wednesday and Thursday. Again, a couple more showers possible for us here through about 2 o'clock in the morning. After that, skies clear. Wednesday, Thursday, drier. However, by Friday, another chance for rain pushes in. We start Friday dry, okay? I think the best chance for rain on Friday will come after the mid-afternoon hour. So after about 3, 4 o'clock Friday, we're going to start to see more rain chances pushing in as this cold front and low pressure system to the west start to impact our backyard. So after about 3, 4 o'clock Friday through Friday night looks wet. We're going to have off and on rain likely. That chance for rain will continue into the first half of the day Saturday. I'm thinking that the best chance for rain out of this next weather maker, a more potent weather maker than what we're dealing with right now. This one's going to, I think, bring everybody rain from Friday afternoon at about 3, 4 o'clock through about lunchtime on Saturday. That's what I'm looking for as far as timing with this more powerful storm system that will impact us here this weekend. The good news is by Saturday afternoon into Sunday, I think we clear things out, we dry things out, and we see more sunshine, okay? So the wettest part of this upcoming weekend will likely be Saturday morning. It does look as though as soon as the front skedaddles, the winds are going to increase, okay? So we will turn windy as we head into Saturday afternoon and Saturday night, with us still likely breezy at times into Sunday. All right, let's talk about that severe weather threat out ahead of our next weather maker. Severe weather threat's pretty small as we head into Thursday. Maybe the Red River Valley of Oklahoma and Texas may see a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms. By Friday, though, that chance for severe weather gets larger. The amount of severe weather appears to be a little more potent. We're going to have, I think, Friday being a very active weather day for areas west of us. Okay. By the time that storm system gets to us here late Friday afternoon, Friday night into the first part of Saturday, although we could hear a couple rumbles of thunder, we will not have, I don't think, any severe weather to deal with. Okay. The severe weather threat will stay west of us with this next pretty potent weather maker. Okay. Friday, the severe weather threat will extend from Des Moines and Chicago south into Memphis, Little Rock, and potentially even areas close to Shreveport, Louisiana. So the severe weather threat gets bigger. The storms get stronger as we head into Friday. Eventually, what's west comes east. Yes, we will get rain from this storm system late Friday night into Saturday morning, but I don't think severe weather is going to accompany the rain as we deal with that next weather maker. However, we're going to get plenty of rain out of it, okay? I don't think we're going to have any flooding issues, but Friday into Saturday, I do think we'll see about 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain, maybe slightly higher totals possible in isolated areas. But for the most part, Friday afternoon into midday Saturday, 1/4 of an inch to 3/4 of an inch of rain on the way. The winds right now are anywhere between about 5 and 15 miles per hour for the most part. The exception to that is Roanoke, where you have a northwest wind at 18. Okay, so it's a little breezy outside for us right now. 5 to 15 mile per hour gusts, or I should say 5 to 15 mile per hour winds, gusting perhaps over 20 to 23 miles per hour as we speak. So again, a little breezy out there. Winds are certainly not that light until you head a little bit closer to like south side where the winds are actually pretty light. You head towards the mountains. Winds right now just a touch stronger. The winds are only going to strengthen, though, late this week, okay? Friday, the winds probably won't be a huge player in our weather. And the reason for that is we're going to have that low pressure system bringing us additional cloud cover and rain, okay? It's really as we head Saturday afternoon, Saturday night into Sunday, where those winds will really start to pick up. Why? Because we have something called a tight pressure gradient. We're going to have a low pressure system relatively close to a high pressure system. What happens is when you have a high and a low, the wind can't go through those two systems. They have to go up and around those two storm systems. So what's happening is you're getting a convergence of these green lines. What that will mean is more wind. Okay, so a tight pressure gradient, when you have a high and a low close together, that is usually the reason why we pick up wind. And we're going to be pretty windy here Saturday afternoon, Saturday night into the day on Sunday. Gusts perhaps over 40 miles per hour will be possible Saturday afternoon into Saturday night. Right now it's 53 in Roanoke, 51 Lynchburg. You're in the upper 40s south side, about 43 right now in Wytheville, Hillsville, and Galax. Cold spot right now, Hot Springs at 34. High temperatures tomorrow as we go zone by zone, 57 in the NRV, anywhere between about 58 and 61 in the Highlands. Looking at highs in the lower 60s, Roanoke, Lynchburg, and South Side. Look at these highs tomorrow. That's right about where they should be for this time of year, okay? Temperatures are supposed to be in the low to mid 60s right now. We've been spoiled over the last couple of days to have temperatures in the 70s, even a couple of 80s. A little bit back down to reality today, and that reality will last for the day tomorrow. Rest assured, we are going to see warmer temperatures here by later in the week. Overnight lows tonight in the 30s and perhaps a couple of lower 40s. Want to talk to you about the temperatures tonight. Again, it is going to be pretty chilly out there. I cannot rule out the possibility towards the highest elevations for a couple of snowflakes tonight and or a couple of sleet pellets. Again, it would be from now through about 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. We're not going to get any accumulation, but just don't be surprised if you're watching us over 2,500 feet to see a couple of snowflakes or sleet pellets. The other thing I want to talk to you about, frost is possible tonight, okay? So if you have planted, if you are worried about any plants you have outside, I would go out there after this appcast, cover them up or bring them inside, all right? It is going to be a night where most of us are going to be in the 30s. I stress to you, frost is a possibility for us tonight. As a matter of fact, we do have a frost advisory in effect from 4 a.m. till 9 a.m. for Rockbridge County. Only one county in that frost advisory. Frankly, most of us haven't begun our growing season just yet. It will happen soon, but most of us haven't started our growing season. So tonight, again, frost is possible. If you're worried about plants, cover them up or bring them inside. For the day tomorrow, we're looking at skies partly to mostly sunny. We're seasonably cool. Talked about those highs tomorrow in the 50s and 60s. Temperatures go up Thursday, 65, 70 on Friday. Hottest day will be Saturday, 76. Then we fall into the 60s, middle 60s on Sunday. 60s don't last long. We're 70 to 75 by the early part of the next work week. Talking about rain chances, certainly the chances there for some pop-up showers here through about maybe 1, 2 a.m. So for the next 3 to 4 hours. However, we're dry Wednesday, we're dry Thursday. Friday starts dry after 3, 4 o'clock Friday night, then into the midday hours of Saturday, more rain chances. Saturday afternoon, we dry out. Sunday's really pretty, mainly sunny, breezy, 65. Clouds again thicken Monday, maybe a few showers late Monday. Another chance for rain pushes in next Tuesday. Current time is 10:11, and joining me is my good friend Allie. Allie, are there any questions I can answer tonight, my friend? No questions. All right. What we're doing here is something called an Appcast. We've been doing them for about the last 2.5 months. We do them every Monday night at 10 p.m. We do them every Friday night at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Monday, we take a look at the week ahead. 10 p.m. on Friday, we take a look at the upcoming weekend. Why are we doing one tonight? It's Tuesday night. Well, we also do them Tuesday nights, Wednesday nights, and Thursday nights if need be. If there's any sort of weather around to be talked about, we will also be doing Appcasts on Tuesday night or Wednesday night or Thursday night. So hence tonight, because we have rain around, we did an Appcast, and we will continue, of course, on nights where we have any type of weather to talk about to continue to do these Appcasts. Tomorrow night, Wednesday night, probably won't do one because it looks like Wednesday night into Thursday going to be very, very quiet. How can you watch these Appcasts? Several different ways, 5 different ways to be exact. You can watch them on Roku. You can watch them on Facebook Live when it works. We can also watch them on the news app, the weather app, and also on YouTube. Okay, so about 5 different ways that you can watch these Appcasts. All right, friends, it's 10:13. We'll be back here with our 11 o'clock newscast in about 45 minutes from now. We do hope to see you then, but if we don't, I hope everybody has a great night. We'll see you again real